What is the largest integer that is a divisor of n plus 1 times n plus 3 times n plus 5 times n plus 7 times n plus 9 for all positive even integers n? So first let's consider n is equal to 2, and we'll see if we notice any pattern. So for n equals 2, we got 3 times 5 times 7 times 9 times 11. Then for n equals 4, we're going to get 5 times 7 times 9 times 11 times 13. N equals 6, we're going to get 7 times 9 times 13 times 15. And I'll keep going. I'll do a list of these just so we can show. N equals 8, 9 times 11 times 13 times 15 times 17. And lastly, I'll do n equals 10. This will be 11 times, or actually, let's stop there. All right, so first, what is the largest integer? What integer will always be a divisor no matter what n is equal to? So here we can see that the largest divisor of that is going to be 3 times 5 times 7 times 9 times 11. So, and then we go to the next one. Yeah, all of those are a divisor of that. But when we go down here, 7 is not a divisor of this. So therefore, the largest divisor will not have a 7 in it. And then if we look at n equal to 12, so that one's going to be 13 times 15 times 17 times 19 times 21. So in here, 9 is not a divisor. So 9 isn't going to be a divisor for any n. And also, 11 is not a divisor here. So we got 3 and 5. And the thing about 3 and 5, the thing about 3 first is, if we look at divisors of 3, here those two numbers are divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 3. I'll just circle them. Divisible by 3, 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 divisible by 3. Basically, every third number in this sequence is divisible by 3. So no matter what n equals, one of the numbers is going to be divisible by 3. So 3 is going to be a number that divides for any n. And next I want to look at for 5. So for 5, let's look at that. Let's see if it's a divisor. Here's a 5, 5. This is divisible by 5, divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. And it's going to be true that every fifth number is going to be divisible by 5. So if we were to keep this pattern going here, for example, what I mean by every fifth number is 13, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the fifth number. So when you have two between integers, when you go every other integer, every fifth number is going to be divisible by 5. So 5 will also be a divisor for any n. Therefore, 3 times 5 will always be a divisor for any n. And 3 times 5 is 15. So 15 is the largest integer that is a divisor of that expression. So the answer is choice D.